Students explore states of matter through 12 hands-on activities and the Delta Science Reader. Students begin to see and classify the objects in the world around them, not as primary school children, but as young scientists, and use hands-on experiences with blocks, balloons, and beakers to identify the distinctive properties of the 3 common states of matter. In this module, students will learn matter is anything that has mass and volume. Guide students to understand that we can measure the amount of material in matter, its mass, and we can measure the amount of space matter takes up, its size or volume. Students learn that on Earth, matter exists in one of 3 states: solid, liquid, or gas. Water, for example, is one substance familiar to us in all its 3 states, as ice, liquid water, and water vapor. Added heat, however, can cause a substance to undergo a change of state. As heat is applied to ice, for example, it begins to change state, first to liquid water and then, as more heat is added, to a gas. As heat is removed from water vapor, the process reverses. In this module, students observe, explore, and measure solids, liquids, and gases, and investigate the processes by which one changes into another by using a variety of lab tools. Students identify the state of matter of a substance by its distinctive properties of shape and volume. A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume which do not readily change. A liquid has a definite volume, but its shape changes readily, as its molecules are more loosely bound together than those of a solid. The shape of a liquid takes on the shape of its container. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume, and its volume will expand to fill a large container or compress to fit a small container. A gas's shape as well as its volume is determined by the shape and volume of its container. As students conduct melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation experiments, they learn the importance of controlling variables and keeping records. To conclude the unit, the class can celebrate by making ice cream for a Matter Matters party. Finally, the Delta Science Reader, States of Matter, introduces students to matter and its physical properties. Students learn about 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. They read about changing from one state to another by melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation. Students meet 2 scientists who work with matter in different states, one at a crayon factory and another in Antarctica. Finally, they discover how heating gases keeps a hot air balloon afloat. For science background, reinforcement activities, curriculum connections, and information about the Delta Science Reader, please consult your DSM Teacher's Guide.